Hey, Kimberly Thibodeaux here, and I have a question for you. What's your secret weapon? This morning, I sat down at my computer to do a completely different video than what I'm about to present to you. I pulled up my screen and I started Googling everything I could find about content marketing. I found some awesome tools, as well as some great advice. But as I was about to start putting everything together, my mentor came on with his daily dose of wisdom, and today was a doozy. He just asked a simple question. And so I'll ask it to you. What is your secret weapon? What is the most important asset for your business? Many of you might say, well, of course, it's my list. And you wouldn't be totally wrong. A lot of you might say, well, I have the most expertise in my chosen endeavor. And that wouldn't be incorrect either. Okay, what is it? Your list, your expertise, your product? These are all certainly a major part of anyone's online business. But, in fact, the most important asset to your business is you. It's you and your story. It's how you present yourself to the world. There is only one you. You have your own life experiences, your own business experiences, your successes and failures. All of these life lessons add up to your own unique story. And that story is what will build your tribe. These stories, this history, they're your secret weapon. When you tell your story, you'll be regaling others with your epiphanies, your light bulb moments, and the things you've found that have helped you along the way. Other people will hear your story, and many will relate. And that will help form bonds, the bonds of shared excitement and shared pain. And you'll be talking to them in a way that only you can. There are many successful marketers out there, and it's also not a bad idea to model your business after someone you admire. But just remember, you're modeling, not copying. Be yourself, and it's okay if you don't know everything yet. I found the more I learn, the more there is to learn. That's one of the most exciting yet confounding parts of online marketing. Just enjoy the ride. So, in the interest of sharing something that's helped me along the way, I'll tell you about a couple of the content marketing ideas I found when I was doing my research. I'll post all of these apps in the links below for you. So, number 1, the Hemingway app. This app will check your posts for convoluted sentences, the use of passive voice, and overused adverbs. But be careful, it might make your sentences too short, so just use your own judgment here. I like to copy my Word document and paste it into Hemingway. Number 2, Writer's Dictionary. Have you ever been stuck for just the right word, or just can't come up with that word that's right on the tip of your tongue? Then Writer's Dictionary is made for you. It's a reverse dictionary, and it's a lot of fun and very easy to use. Number 3, Portent's Content Idea and Generator. You just enter your keyword, and endless ideas for wonderful and crazy headlines appear, and they're going to help you tweak your creativity. They even give you some content ideas to get you started on your masterpiece. And finally, number 4, Zencast. This website is wonderful for those of you that feel creative with ambient noise in the background. It has the beach during the day. They have the beach at night, rushing river, chirping insects, a campfire, and best of all, it's free. I really recommend it. It's even really cool for falling asleep at night. I hope you give one or more of these a try. I have, and I found them to be extremely useful.